Senior sister, these idiots were driven into a ditch by the car.
Why are you still laughing at others? Go down and have a look.
What's the situation?
What's the situation?
Is it useful for you to scold me now?
Why didn't you fall into it yourself?
I don't want to go out with you.
Stop talking. What's the matter?
Who knows how he drove it?
Such a big road. How do I know there is a pit here?
Why are you still leaving? Let me see. My God. You are too careless in driving. In fact, you can drive up by yourself in this situation.
Can?
Yes, it will be done in 10 seconds. Very simple. Let me try it for you. In such a situation, there is no need to call for rescue. It only takes 3 steps, and the car can drive up. First, we turn the steering wheel fully in the direction the tires fall. Second, put in reverse gear. Third, put the pedal to about 3,500 RPM and we're out of trouble. Come on, let's see the effect.
It's amazing. It really drove me up.
This is very simple. Follow me to learn more car knowledge.